Hi, I'm Seek. Let us look at some exciting stuff. You clean your home with a broom or a cloth, but the minute particles of dust might still remain on the mattresses, carpets, etc. To clean such surfaces, you require a special electronic equipment like a vacuum cleaner. But how does a vacuum cleaner help to clean minute particles of dust? Let us understand the answer with an example. When you sip soda through a straw, you are utilizing the simplest of all suction mechanisms. Sucking the soda up causes a pressure drop between the bottom of the straw and the top of the straw. With greater fluid pressure at the bottom than the top, the soda is pushed up to your mouth. Similarly, a vacuum cleaner cleans a surface by drawing in the dust particles using air suction. Air suction reduces the air pressure from a particular area by drawing in air into the vacuum cleaner. This draws up small objects which then get trapped in bags, canisters, or filters. Vacuum cleaners use low air pressure to help us pick up small particles of dirt and dust. Air pressure is the weight of the atmosphere pressing down on the earth. It is measured by a barometer in units called millibars. Let us understand more concepts about air pressure and air suction. When you plug the vacuum cleaner in and turn it on, this is what happens. The electric current operates the motor. The motor is attached to the fan, which has angled blades like an airplane propeller. As the fan blades turn, they force air forward toward the exhaust port. When air particles are driven forward, the density of particles and therefore the air pressure increases in front of the fan and decreases behind the fan. This pressure drop behind the fan is just like the pressure drop in the straw when you sip from your drink. The pressure level in the area behind the fan drops below the pressure level outside the vacuum cleaner. This creates suction, a partial vacuum, inside the vacuum cleaner. The outside air pushes itself into the vacuum cleaner through the intake port because the air pressure inside the vacuum cleaner is lower than the pressure outside. As long as the fan is running and the passageway through the vacuum cleaner remains open, there is a constant stream of air moving through the intake port and out the exhaust port. But how does a flowing stream of air collect the dirt and debris from your carpet? The key principle is friction. The suction created by a vacuum cleaner's rotating fan creates a flowing stream of air moving through the intake port and out the exhaust port. This stream of air acts just like a stream of water. The moving air particles rub against any loose dust or debris as they move, and if the debris is light enough and the suction is strong enough, the friction carries the material through the inside of the vacuum cleaner. This is the same principle that causes leaves and other debris to float down a stream. As the dirt-filled air makes its way to the exhaust port, it passes through the vacuum cleaner bag. These bags are made of porous woven material, typically cloth or paper, which acts as an air filter. The tiny holes in the bag are large enough to let air particles pass by, but too small for most dirt particles to fit through. Thus, when the air current streams into the bag, all the air moves on through the material, but the dirt and debris collect in the bag. Now, let us catch a glimpse of what we are going to create. After this activity, you will be able to understand the concepts of an electric circuit, apply the concept of air suction and air pressure, and model a vacuum cleaner.